Hi there! What's going on? My name is Art and here is Stranger English channel. Let's learn English together. Different ways to say sorry and how to respond. Are you serious? Sorry. That's okay. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm so sorry. Oh. Never mind. Sorry about that. Use bathroom. I don't want. Sorry. My bad. It's fine. My mistake. No worries. I'd like to apologize. No problem. I take full responsibility. Sure you do. It's all my fault. Well, yeah, it's your fault. You may stop farting now. I regret. Forgive me. I can't hear you. I beg you to forgive me. I can't cancel the contract with the hitman anymore. I ever so sorry. Don't ever so sorry me. How stupid of me. Tell that to my middle finger. I hope you can forgive me. Talk to the hand. I was wrong on that. You're already dead to me. Please, don't be mad at me. Explain that in jail. Pardon me. I'm sorry too. For putting poop into your food. Pardon me for being so rude. God may forgive you. But I won't. I'm so sorry if I offended you. But I already flushed you down the toilet. Can you forgive me? Who am I? Buddha? Even Buddha can only forgive person up 3 times. So sorry. How about simple f off? What did you say?
Hi Art. Oh, you are busy.
It was Stranger English channel. If you like it, please feel free to subscribe. But if not, subscribe, hit the like button.